Hi guys, this is Milan. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we're going to be talking about pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds.
Yes.
Pleasant sounds. Sit down. Sit down. Shh, don't start it.
Okay.
So pleasant sounds are those that sounds good to our ears. Sounds that we enjoy, right Milan?
Yes.
So
Let me sing you an instrument.
okay, you're going to play some music?
Yes.
And the unpleasant sounds are those sounds that are called noise.
No.
So pleasant sounds are the ones that sounds good.
No.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
So pleasant sounds are the ones that sounds good, right? And unpleasant sounds are the ones that noise.
No.
We don't like it. They make our ears hurt. So shh.
Okay.
Milan is gonna demonstrate. Go ahead, Milan.
Bambada 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 bambada.
Is that pleasant or unpleasant?
It's unpleasant.
It's unpleasant. Put on your leg. So make a pleasant sound now.
Beautiful in the whole world in my heart.
Okay, Milan. So make the music now.
Okay.
Got a lot going on there, girl. Alright, so that kind of sounds pleasant. That sounds pleasant. Alright, make unpleasant sounds now. Noise, make noise. Alright. What about the dog? That's not pleasant. That's unpleasant. Alright, put it down. That's unpleasant.
Yes, that's unpleasant.
So make a pleasant sound like the little bird chirping.
Cheep, 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 cheep.
That's
cheep,
pleasant.
Cheep, 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 chop, 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 chop.
Alright, stop now. Shake the shaker now. Do the shaker. Is that pleasant or unpleasant?
It's nice.
It's pleasant music.
Unpleasant music.
That's pleasant. Alright. How about the girl? What you gonna let the girl do now? What is the girl going to do? Take up the girl. Take up the girl. Take up the girl. Turn her around. Turn her around. That's not pleasant.
Wee, wee,
You
wee.
pretend the girl is a baby?
Wee, wee.
If the baby's in your ears crying like that all day, is that a pleasant sound?
Wee. Yes.
No, if the baby is in your ears crying all day, that's not pleasant.
Wee.
Or if the rooster is beside you, if the rooster is beside you, making that sound, is that pleasant or unpleasant?
Unpleasant.
Unpleasant.
Wee.
Alright, so now you know the difference between pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. Put on little girl now. Alright, so one more time. Alright, one more time. Is the bird a pleasant or an unpleasant sound?
Tweet, tweet.
The bird, is it pleasant or unpleasant?
It's nice.
It's nice, so it's pleasant.
Pleasant.
Is the shaker, come over here. Is the shaker pleasant or unpleasant?
It's nice.
It's pleasant. Say pleasant.
Pleasant.
Alright, the drum, not the drum now. Not the drum. Alright, so that kind of sounds like music. Make it unpleasant now. Make it loud. Alright, careful. So that's unpleasant sound.
Yes.
So the dog barking now. It's not pleasant, it's unpleasant. Come over here. So the dog barking like that. That's unpleasant. And the baby crying all day.
Wee, wee.
Come over here.
Wee.
Come over here. It's okay. Come over here. So the baby crying is not pleasant, right? And the horn blowing. Blow the horn. Blow it loud. Again. So that's noise. That's not pleasant. That's not pleasant. That's noise. So pleasant sounds. Alright, sit down now. pleasant sounds are the one that sounds good to our ears, and unpleasant sounds are noise.
Noise.
They don't sound good, right?
Yes.
No.